Hi guys! This is your call center na puyat na mahilig kumain kaysa matulog. And if you love food, puyat, life struggles, nasa tamang vlog ka. Intro, pasok! A day in my life as a call center, napatay gutom. So ayun guys, mag-i-start yung araw ko by 10 p.m. kasi yun ang start ng duty ko until 7 a.m. So ang gawain ko as a call center agent is back office. So meaning hindi ako nagko-calls. Ang ginagawa ko is nakikipag-interact ako sa mga customer through social media. Yes, social media including Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So, usually, ang ginagawa ko is sumasagot ng mga comments, nakikipag-chat, and gumagawa ng cases para ipapasa sa other department. Yun ang pinaka main purpose ko. And also through spamming, kami yung sumasagot or minsan nagtatanggal ng mga spam, bad comments, sumasagot sa mga comments as well, syempre as a social media specialist. So yun yung ginagawa ko the whole night na ako ay naka-duty. And by the way, yung company namin is nag-offer ng hybrid setup. 2 days on-site and the rest is work at home setup. So yun, I am very thankful to this company who offers this kind of setup because, medyo mahirap pumanap ng company na nag-offer ng hybrid. Especially, yung ibang account kasi is required na mag-on-site sila. And luckily, I've been part for this company for 3 months na yata, I guess. Hindi ko na matanda. And ayun. So, doon umiikot yung work ko as a social media specialist or back office. And ayun lang, yung setup ko nga pala guys is eto lang yung gamit ko, yung working laptop na company provided. And ayun, so umiikot lang yung trabaho ko through social media. And I'm very thankful to be part of this account or campaign as a social media specialist. Because social media is very broad. So, sobrang laki na nasasakop ng social media. You will be encountering other types of peoples. Although hindi mo sila naririnig, pero dun sa mga chats, comments nila, mararamdaman mo yung mga concern nila, syempre. And by the way, I've been part of the BPO industry for almost 5 years na. So, ayun. So, medyo hasa na ako mag-handle ng mga customer. So, ayun lang, guys. Nothing more, nothing less. And again, I am your call center na patay gutom na mahilig kumain. And see you again soon.